check this one out, unique, especially in classics. Got a late model street rod here. 2001 Plymouth Prowler. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 25,000 miles on it is all. And this color, I've never seen this one in person before. Midnight Blue Pearl, otherwise known as the Mulholland Edition. A little over 1,200 of these made, 1,281 to be exact. Of course, powered by the 3.5 liter underneath the hood. And then all your modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold on this one. Let you get an idea how this paint looks. One little, you kind of see that, I want to show you that too. One little, if I can get it to show up again, there was one little ding. There it is right there, if you get the light on it just right, but boy, you really got to be looking to see it. But wanted to point that one out. Hey, the car's over 20 years old now, but overall shows very, very well. Be a fun one. Get in, take it and drive it, enjoy it. Want to check out the still pictures so you can see this one from every different angle, top to bottom, inside and out. See the interior, see the engine bay, see with the top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you get an idea how nice this front end looks on this one. Great shape. FYI, is riding on the original wheels as well as the original tires. Interior is kind of a charcoal gray leather. Plush, supple leather. Very comfortable seating. And of course, that 3.5 liter is paired up with an automatic transmission. We're going to get around to the driver's side, fire it up, check out that interior a little bit closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear. That light blue pinstripe to set it off, and I believe this was just a decal that was just stuck on. If you don't like that, you want to take it off, feel free to. I'll leave it on there and let the next owner be the decision maker on that one. All right, look at the reflection coming off of that paint. So again, you can see it's got a nice reflection, shines well. You're not going to see them like this all the time, I guarantee you that. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, you got the modern amenities too. Power mirrors, locks, windows, tilt, cruise. This one's gonna have AM, FM cassette. AC does blow cold in this, if I didn't mention that earlier. Everything's in working order as you'd expect. That old school hot rod look with the aftermarket tack on the steering column. And of course, your center cluster of gauges from the center of the dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hear it run, we'll check out that engine bay. There we go, you can see the tack works. Stereo system working. And it does have the auto volume as well as an equalizer down here. There's your exact miles, 25,351. And as you see where it says auto stick, you can manually shift this if you'd like to manually shift that automatic. All right, take a look at the voltmeter, fuel gauge, and temp gauge. Top of the dash. It appears that the oil gauge is not temp, that should be oil pressure. Oil gauge is in op, FYI. But that is something that would obviously be able to be fixed. This car will be going through our shop and inspected. We just wanted to get the pictures and the videos up on it so you can all see that first. Have any questions on that, consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, Again, you can see the condition of that leather, what you'd expect for a vehicle with this kind of miles on it. Leather still supple, nice comfortable seating, free of rips, tears, holes, as well as the top. And we're going to put that up too. It's a matching blue. It looks great on this car. No crazy exhaust. I haven't really noticed any modifications to it from the time I've been around picturing it, checking it out. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, let you take a look underneath it, look at that engine bay, and then we'll put that top up, wrap this video up. All right, first of all, I want to mention this strut right there. Could use replacing. I have it propped up with that. So if it makes a big deal to you or not. Underneath here, still have the Coney shocks up front. It's also where the battery's located at. There's that 3.5 liter. Smooth running. Sounds good. And again, power steering, power brakes, and AC. Mentioned AC does blow cold. So you basically got the modern amenities, but yet kind of that old school street rod look is what Plymouth was going for with the Prowler. All right, so there's the engine bay. Let me pause this one last time. We'll get this top up, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up to check out. Nice fit above the windshield. And very simple to put up. Manual folding. Works very similar to, say, a C4, C5 Corvette. One person can do it, right, less than a minute. And it is a blue cloth, rear glass window, rear defogger, and free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Good shape, what you'd expect, a little over 25,000 miles on a vehicle. So there you have it. 2001 Plymouth Prowler. Again, a little over 25,000 miles is all. What a fun car for summer. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. You're going to be able to take you right to our website, check out all the pics of this vehicle online, probably 100 plus pics or so. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.